As a new Waze map editor, understanding the overall logic of our map editing system will help you to hit the ground running. So before you get started, we wanted to show you a few examples of some problems you might encounter and how to fix them. Problems detected by the system. The first types of map problems you might encounter are ones that are automatically detected by the system. We identify problems by running actual user drives on the map and checking whether or not the route can be taken according to existing road structure, driving directions, and turn restrictions. So when the Waze system identifies a discrepancy between these routes and what's allowable according to the existing map, a problem is identified and its urgency indicated. We determine the severity of the problem by evaluating how many people will be affected by the map error. So naturally, problems in high volume areas will appear as red, while problems in your local neighborhood might appear as yellow. To help you pinpoint the exact nature of problems detected by the system, we've developed this color-coded system. The green line. This line represents an average of several users' actual drives in a specific section of the map. Each of these drives is in fact a sequence of GPS points that create a line with a known direction. Sometimes the green line is not enough to understand the actual problem, so another useful way of understanding what's going on is to look at the raw GPS points themselves, which appear as small arrows. Note that often, GPS points don't exactly match the road structure, though in most cases it really isn't a problem. The pink line. The pink lines show where the system was able to match the drive with existing roads, driving directions, and turn restrictions. Sometimes the green line follows the pink line exactly, but then will cut corners or veer off of the actual street shown on the satellite image. This is due to a slightly inaccurate GPS, but you will generally see a correlation between both lines. A and B pins. The parts of the road that could not be matched to the green line will show as a gap in the pink line and will be marked with an A at the start point and B at the end point to indicate that it's unclear how the user drove from A to B, given the road structure, driving direction, and turn restrictions. Problems reported by Wazers. The second group of map problems you might encounter aren't generated by the system automatically. They're identified and reported by real Wazers out there on the road or by map-savvy visitors to the live map on our website. In this case, the color coding reflects how long ago the problem was reported, with older problems appearing as more urgent. When looking at a problem reported by a Wazer from the road, you'll see the user's actual drive in green, as well as a purple line, indicating the route that Waze proposed to them. To further understand the full picture, the turn-by-turn instructions that Waze provided the user are displayed on the map at turns as well. Try to find where the user stopped following the proposed route and look for potential problems at that point. The problem is often related to wrong driving direction, turns not allowed, or inaccurate driving instructions provided.